2019 Chevrolet Camaro 2SS convertible, and the color of this just called Crush. Jet black interior, Recaro front bucket seat upgrade. I'll go through some more of the upgrades on this, and I'll tell you where you can check out the window sticker so you can actually see the options, everything that's on this car. Best thing about this car, well-known history. Actually, a personal friend of mine has decided to part ways with this. So if you have any questions on it, we can definitely answer your questions on this car. It was sold new in our area. Little over 11,000 miles it is, I believe. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Adult owned and driven. Spent its summers in the Minnesota River Valley, and in the winters it was actually shipped and closed to where he went in Arizona so he could enjoy it down there. Now, if you want to check out those still pictures so you can see the underside, interior, engine bay, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. 6.2 liter underneath the hood, 455 horsepower. That is paired with the upgraded 10-speed automatic transmission. As you can see, the lower rocker panels does have the satin black package. Also has the upgraded wheels. Those would be the 20-inch 5-split satin spoked wheels. Take a peek at the interior. Again, what you'd expect with 11,000 miles on it. Recaro seat upgrade up front. Does have the iOS infotainment 3+ HD color touchscreen. Also a Sirius XM radio. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. It does have the dual note performance exhaust on it. FE3 suspension would be the performance suspension package. Also has the UHS driver's information center in multicolor. You're going to see that when we start it up here in just a little bit. Let you hear it run. We'll check out the interior closer underneath the hood. Black appearance package, sport pedals, a couple of the other things you're going to see on that window sticker. And again, you can see the window sticker in the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Just click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Still riding on the Eagle F1 Goodyear radials. And again, you can see side of the car. It's not full of nicks, dings, scratches. A couple very, very light rock chips in the front. Very small ones have been touched up. I can show you those before we pop the hood, where I'm talking about as far as very minimal and touched up with GM matching Crush touch-up paint. Rear seats look like new. Still has plastic on the floor mats. I left that on. Bose stereo system, of course, all the standard features you're going to get. Power windows, locks, mirrors, memory seating, power seats, both sides, heated and ventilated. The list goes on and on. Again, check out that window sticker for the exact options. And you can see there is not much wear to the seats as far as the bolster, the suede inserts, and again, the Recaro buckets. Steering wheel controls for that info center, heads up display. Again, very nicely equipped, nearly 60,000 new. Now let's go ahead and fire this up, hear it run. Remember, it does have the dual note exhaust. You'll hear it start up. There's that infotainment center, multicolor driver's information center. Good sounding car. Controls right underneath the infotainment. So you have dual climate, of course, heated and ventilated seats. Dash like new. Car stored undercover. Inside, Very fussy owner, well taken care of car. Slip around to the back. No modified exhaust, anything like that. Does have the cold air intake package from GM. You're going to see underneath the hood. I'll pop this hood in a second, but I wanted to show you a little closer up what I was talking about, as far as maybe a very small touch-up. When I mean very small, I mean like that, if you can see that in the screen. I'm talking very, very minute. This car will not disappoint. I'm going to go ahead and pause it a second. Let me pop the hood and let's check out that engine bay.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
There, take a look at that hood liner. You can see not a stain on it. This car has not been driven in inclement weather. There's that stock engine bay. Again, cold air intake, GM Performance. I believe those would have been dealer installed. It is on the window sticker. There's that 6.2 liter, 455 horse. And remember, that's paired up with the automatic 10-speed transmission. Clean Carfax, one owner, well-known history of this car. Again, adult owned and driven. Sorry I didn't show you the miles there, 11,000 and some odd miles. We'll take a peek at that. I'm going to run the top up, put the hood down, turn it off, but I want to run that top up to show you what this car looks like with the top up too. It's as good looking with the top up as it is down. It is power top, it's black cloth. I'll show you that here in just a second. There we go, 11,732. So there's your exact miles, 11,732. While I'm in here, see if we can run that top up a second too. I don't know if you'll be able to see this or not, but let me spin it around for you. Whoops. Finish it completing. There, it beeps when complete. Let you know right there on the dash. Let me close this hood a second. I'll show you this car. Top up, hood down. And there you go, 2019 Chevrolet Camaro 2SS in Crush. One owner, clean Carfax, a little over 11,000 miles. How awesome does that look? And again, top is like new. Phone number to call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. I'm going to take you right there. Beautiful. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. This vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or